We've always strived for personal freedom. Freedom to express our unique creativity, to make our own hours, to make continual and substantial income, and the physical freedom to work from anywhere.
Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And we're a brother and sister team that's been designing and building websites for over 12 years.
We started a creative agency in 2008 where we worked with clients, ran a WordPress theme shop, and also built our own products and software.
Being able to design and build websites is what gave us so many different employment opportunities and ways to supplement our income.
We are both self-taught, and learning everything on our own was extremely confusing, disjointed, and time-consuming.
In 2014, we began teaching and mentoring design and coding boot camps to help change the way this information was delivered.
To date, we've helped hundreds of students learn our practical techniques and workflows in a quick and focused way so they can apply them to doing something they love.
Whether you're a designer struggling to turn your designs into a functional website, or a developer looking to improve your user experiences,
the courses and mentorships that we've created at DesignerUp can really change what's possible, and you don't have to do it alone.